Hi folks, I want to talk to you today about the Grand Morris implant system and connection from Neodent. This is a fantastic connection. In my humble opinion, it's one of the best in the market today. Talk to you a little bit about the implant itself and Helix. We do have two other options of the implant, but this is 98% of our sales right now. This implant can be used in both soft bone and dense. If we look at the apical bottom half of the implant, it has these very aggressive threads for soft bone, and it has a more squared off thread at the coronal portion for secondary stability or compression as the implant is placed. The so what, who cares for folks? This can be placed in all types of bone, but especially in soft bone, we can drastically under prep the osteotomy and drive the Helix implant in like an osteotome to get great primary stability every time. All right, moving on. I want to go back to the actual connection itself and its benefits. We have one platform. It is a Morris taper connection that also has, as we can see here, a platform switch. This is the implant, and that's the abutment being placed down into the implant. So we have a switch as well as a Morris taper to mind the gap between both of our components. Having said that, that gap and being such a tight fit in that conical connection of 18 degrees or less allows us to mitigate or get rid of bacteria that could go down in between the two components. The so what, who cares is fantastic bone maintenance. Okay. We do have, as I said earlier, the three different designs of the implant, but Helix is really the one that everybody likes for all types of bone. Another huge benefit, one platform. So I don't mind if it's a 3.5, 3.75, 4.0, 4.3, 5.0, or even a 6.0 diameter implant. It's all one platform. That means one healing abutment. Right here, one cover screw, one healing abutment. There's a temporary abutment, a closed tray, open tray, scan body, stock abutments, tie bases for screw retained. All of these items will fit on any of those 6 diameters of our implant, the GM or Grand Morris connection. Okay? What else? Let's talk to you about the kit itself. It's one kit, tons of flexibility in this. I like the stab and grab feature of our implant driver to grab the implant and simply place, as well as our star driver. We can torque these screws to only 20 Newton centimeters to draw down onto that Morris taper. That's all we need, but it can go much tighter. And then of course we also have a large array as shown on the model, also in the book here, that we have now over 170 different abutments that one can choose from. Thanks so much. Looking forward to that journey, helping you with your implant dentistry today. If you need to contact somebody to help you do that, get to this guy right here, cliffgratz.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.